So with
Wow.
animals, they don't crack like we do when we go to the chiropractor, and that's mostly due to, like, we have a vertical spine, and so we have a lot of compressive force of gravity on our spine, so our body puts gas in between those joint spaces to act as an additional shock absorber. With quadruped animals like her, they have a horizontal spine, so they have more shearing forces of gravity on their spine, so they don't need to put that extra gas in their joints. Typically on an animal, if I'm going to get that crack to happen, it's usually an older animal that has arthritis in certain joints, or the most common area I'm going to hear a crack on is going to be the shoulders.